Hello guys, it's me, Damian Grant. So guys, as usual, let's check out Post Chain, Post League. We're gonna go to Etherscan. We're gonna check out some Richard tweets, and then let's check out how much has been sacrificed so far on the Post League. Wow. Now we have $640 million has been sacrificed until today. So now we still have this guy who has 29,666,000. He's still leading. Oh my God, so much money. He's still leading on the sacrifice phase. And then the second person is still the 19 million. And the first person is still the 29 million guy. So, wow, that's really huge. If you check this 29 million guy, let's see what he got in his wallet. Let's just look inside. I just feel like looking inside. Let's just look inside and see what he got inside. So this guy that sacrificed $29 million, this guy has sacrificed 288,000 heads, worth over 40,000. And this guy also had sacrificed also 53,000 hex, which was worth also 7,282. And this guy also sacrificed 1.5 ETH. This guy is really, really doing it. Huh? And then he sacrificed USDC 19 million. That's the 19 million we saw there. And then after he sacrificed hex again, 186,000. No, 186 million hex. Oh my God. 186 million hex is worth $29 million. This guy sacrificed, this first person is an hexicon. The guy is really a hardcore hexicon. He has sacrificed so much. Oh my God. That's really huge. So let's check out the second person. Let's check out this guy that has 19,634,000. Let's check him out and see what he got in his wallet. Let's see if he's also a hexicon. No, this guy sacrificed only Ethereum. He sacrificed 10,000 Ethereum in the sacrifice phase. Wow, that's really, really huge, guys. 10,000 Ethereum, 10,000 Ethereum. And the third person also, let's check him. The third person is an hexicon. The third person also sacrificed hex. 120 million hex has been sacrificed by the third person. And the person sacrificed it and has 19,392,000. 19,392,000. Wow. And then we're gonna check the first 10 people. Let's just check the first 10 people, guys. Bear with me. Let's just look inside and see what they got. You know, all these guys giving out so much money. Let's just look inside. Let's just for fun. Let's just look inside. It's just for fun. So let's check the fourth person. Let's see. This guy also sacrificed just USDC. He sacrificed first 4 million, and then the second time he sacrificed 11 million. Not bad, not bad. So that means we have the second and third person is hexicon. Now the first person and the third person is hexicon. So the fifth person is also hex. This fifth person sacrifice also hex. Wow, that's really huge. Eh? So I think we're gonna stop there. So the video shouldn't get so long. So you can, if you want to check who the person is and what the person sacrificed, if it's hex or any other coin, you can just click here and then see view all transaction made by wallet. So let's get into Etherscan. Let's look inside. Let me refresh my page. We have, I don't know why it's different from there. I think because of the value of the coin, because if you read here, it says that the price are calculated from historical data. The amount you see was calculated based on what crypto was worth at the time of the transaction due to certain restrictions. some cents, and some stake app donation are not yet included. This site only tracks the following cryptocurrencies, but it's not affiliated with any of them. Wow. So let's see. Now we have here in Etherscan tokens that have been sacrificed. Let's just take the highest token. I think it's gonna be Hex. Wow. So now we have close to 3 billion Hex has been sacrificed. Close to 3 billion Hex has been sacrificed. Wow. You know what that means? That means the price of Hex is gonna keep going up because nobody wanna sell. And the Hex is gonna be more scarce in the market, you know. So a lot of people are sacrificing a lot of coins, and I think Hex is still leading, and then USDC coin and DAI and Theta. Aave also is not looking bad. So yeah, but Hex is still leading. Hex is still there. Let's check out price of Hex. Let's check out price of Hex. We always go to nomics.com. Nomics.com is where you're gonna see the real rank of Hex, where it belongs. Hex is number 3 market cap, but in CoinMarketCap, it's not listed. It's on the 3rd page. But if you go to nomics.com, you're gonna see that Hex is the number 3rd there. So the price of Hex has gone up a lot. Wow. Price of Hex has gone up a little bit. Now it's 14 cents. Not bad, not bad. The price of Hex, it dipped before to it dipped to 10 cents, and then it got buttoned up immediately. So guys, I think there's gonna be a scarcity of Hex. Everybody wanna drop into Hex. So let me just say why I think PulseChain is gonna succeed. You know, no, let me just read everything. Let me just go through everything. Then I'm gonna tell you guys what I think. Richard tweeted, if you want to know more about PulseChain, you can go follow Richard on Twitter. He always tweets a lot. He said, Popmentas is the best opportunity I've ever seen in my entire life. I think this can make millions of people truly wealthy, free for Bitcoin holders, even it can be transformed into Hex. Imagine you could buy Bitcoin for $1 in 2011. Don't miss that chance again. So he's talking about Hex. So Hex is like a Bitcoin. So he thinks Hex is a Bitcoin. And you know, one thing I like about Richard, I love Richard so much. I really love him. I have learned a lot from him. So I love watching his live streams. I love watching him talking. I love everything he do. You know, Richard, you know, you can really, apart from the other side, from cursing and some hard words he used, but personality, he's really a nice person. I don't know him in person. I'm not promoting him or anything, but I'm just saying my opinion. So just what I'm saying about learning things from him. Remember that if you want to get a better deal swapping coins, 1inch.io is the best way I know. So he also talked about 1inch, that if you want to do a trade, that 1inch gives, spread it across all chains and give you the best price rate, you know. So I think 1inch has a huge opportunity to make a lead in the ecosystem too, in the blockchain DeFi ecosystem. So now Richard is talking about it. You know, whenever Richard talks about something, the things skyrocket. So let's see what 1inch gives. So if you go down here, you can see that Ivan on Tech made just made a donation to the Sense Foundation. So I hope you guys know Ivan on Tech. He's very popular, a very popular YouTuber. He has over 500,000 followers. So I think PulseChain is gonna be huge. So let me just say what I think about PulseChain. So I think PulseChain is gonna be very huge. So don't miss out on PulseChain. Just do your sacrifice and then wait for the rest. You know. So it's like a newborn. This is a second chance of anybody who missed out on Hex and he didn't get into Hex. So guys, don't miss out on PulseChain. Do your sacrifice and then just wait. Okay. I hear that the testnet is gonna come out very soon. So, but Richard is gonna give us more update on it. So, guys, this is just a quick information I just want to share with you guys. If you're new to the channel, please like the video, subscribe, and turn the notification button. Okay. Thanks for everything, guys. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.